Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy. Hello from Dubai, and today we are going to talk about Safuu. As you might know, actually every coin or token or project is going down right now, but Safuu is right now crushing it and really rocking the market. Let me show you. Actually everything, look here, the last 24 hours, everything is going down. But what is Safuu doing? Look at this. In the last 2 days, the 29th of June, and in the last 5 days, it went up from below 10 to 15. Yeah, that's 50% plus. So imagine if you would have invested $10,000 5 days ago, now you would have around $15,000. Crazy, yeah? And I've already made, I guess, 2 videos about Safuu. The last one is like 3 weeks ago. And yeah, since then, I mean, the price is doing pretty good, I would say, yeah. And for those of you who don't know what Safuu is, it's an auto compounding protocol. This means you just buy the token, then you hold the token or the tokens, and you are getting paid interest every 15 minutes. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, let me show you the app right now. How does it look, the dashboard? Look here. Right now the Safuu price is like $14.83, yeah? And right now it has a market cap of $56 million. It was already above $100 million, but actually everything is going down, or was going down, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, doesn't matter what, everything just lost in value. But Safuu is doing pretty good right now, yeah? And as you might know, they are already working on their own blockchain, yeah? And you know, if they release their own blockchain, this could be a really amazing event to push the price to even higher levels, yeah? Imagine if you would have invested in Bitcoin, in the blockchain, or Ethereum, something like this, at the very beginning, you know, and now, I mean, you know how many thousand times you would have more money than you had at the beginning or so, yeah. So let me show you. The Bybit supply is 21.3% right now. The insurance fund is a little bit above 1 million. Let me show you my account here. My account right here, let me zoom out a little bit. You see my balance right now is a little bit shy of 6K dollars in Safuu. 5,979.37 is my investment right now. And my 5-day ROI rate, that means what do I get every 5 days, is about $715 by doing nothing, yeah. Of course, the price has to be somehow the same level, that it stays the same. Here you can see the calculator, yeah. Let me zoom in, that you see. Right now, you know, I have about 403 Safuus, and my investment right now is about $5,978, yeah. And by just holding it, yeah, for 30 days, I will have 11,700. Let me zoom in. $11,779, yeah, just by holding it, okay? And I'm not planning to sell anything soon here in my holdings, because I think this has really could have a really great future. As always, you know, before you invest your money, always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but I just want to show you that this could be a really good investment. And always do your own research before you put your money anywhere, yeah? And yeah, but let me just show you, if the price would sustain somehow, then in 90 days, I would have about $45,000, yeah? So, of course, the price has to be somehow the same, but of course, if the price goes up, my investment will be even more. That's the good thing about this auto compounding. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.